my channel. Today I want to work on my hair. So this hair is from Private Label Extensions. This is the Indian Curly. I got it in a 26, 24, and 22. And today I will be refreshing it and also giving it a review. As you can see, it's a little hot, dusted, musted, and a wee bit nappy, but we're gonna revive it back to its full potential and also give the spill on this hair, because at this point I've had it for over a year and I really want to talk about how it's been treating me, how I feel about it, pros, cons, and show you what it can really look like at its best. I'm back from underneath the dryer. As you can see, my leave out is not done. Definitely still have a few more steps to go, but here are the products that I use. For my actual weave, I use Mane and Tail just to really clean it, keep it soft. And for my leave out, I use Joico Moisture Recovery. These are things that I just found in my bathroom. No emotional attachment to these products. I also use the Aussie for my leave out, along with a little bit of Lotta Body, just to smooth it down. I want to put as little heat as possible on my leave out because I know once I get to styling, I'm going to end up using a lot of heat. I haven't put anything in my hair outside of those products, and a little bit of Mielle hair oil. I just got it, so I don't have any reviews or anything about it. Just want to make sure that my scalp is moisturized and ready for treatment. I'm not sure if I'm going to style the hair. Actually, I'm going to leave the hair like it is, just blend in my leave out, because I want you guys to see what the hair actually looks like in its natural form. As you can see, it's very cute. You know, it's giving beach summer vibes, and that's one of my favorite things about the hair. So I'm going to style my hair and get back to talking about this lovely hair that Private Label has. Let me tell you, it took me a minute to get on the electric hot comb wave, but this is one of the best inventions ever. Once I started really learning how to use it, I'm like, wow, this is amazing. Why didn't they come out with this sooner? I'm definitely from the Marcel age, so this was a little bit like, it's not the same, but being able to control the heat on this and knowing that you're not gonna burn your hair off is a game changer. I love it. Wish I had bought one sooner. Dang, serious. See, I can never get the grays, and it always feel like my grays just never want to act right. But you know what? We got something for that. I finished hot combing my leave out, and this is what the hair looks like. This is about 24 inches is the longest one. I believe it's 24, 22, and 20. I've had this hair for 2 years, and one thing that I really love about it is the way that the wave looks very natural. It blends in with my natural hair. Even if I get a little hot and sweaty around the edges, it still looks like my natural hair. Make sure that it looks as close to your natural hair as possible. Now, I know sometimes, you know, our hair is a little bit more kinky or more curly than the hair that we like to buy, but if you buy something that is high quality hair and also blends in well with your natural hair, you don't have to worry about always putting heat to your natural hair. You don't have to worry about what it looks like when your hair looks a little bit unkempt, because it will always look like it's yours. One of the key things is to make sure that your weave looked like it grew out of your head. So this is the Raw Indian Curly. I don't know if I said that. I absolutely love it. As you can see, I haven't colored it. I'm not really a color girly, but I have heard great things about the hair taking color very well. It does take heat. Here are a few videos of my hair while it's curled, wet curls and straight, so you can see that it has a little bit of variation to the hair. Again, I've had this hair for 2 years. It does shed a little bit, but it's weave, it's gonna shed. Your natural hair sheds, weave is gonna shed. It doesn't shed crazy, so you don't have to worry about anything too ridiculous. Outside of that, that's all I have for this hair. I'm not really sure, you know, what to say during hair reviews, but I do absolutely love this hair, and I love how it looks. I love how many compliments that I get when I'm wearing it, and I love how effortless it is once it is installed. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.